what's up, Sami here. I have reviewed many e-bikes, but nothing is like this C3STROM Astro E-bike. Or maybe should I call it a motorcycle considering this cool cyberpunk design. So what's special? Let's get started! Regarding the design, the C3STROM Astro Pro has one of the coolest designs for an e-bike, if not the coolest. It's well-nigh irresistible both to the rider and to others. We have an enormous headlight there. There are two intensity modes. Believe me, it is very bright. There are also two turn signal lights besides the headlight. The tail light wraps around and looks really cool. I took the Astro Pro to some very dark environment to test, and it's highly visible. I feel safe to ride at night. There is a 3.5-inch grayscale backlit LCD that shows you all the basic information like battery info, assist mode, and speed tracer. I'm glad it's clear even in direct sunlight. On the right handlebar, we have the throttle control, light switches, and a horn. Whilst on the left, we have the 7-speed Shimano twister shifter, setting buttons, and a power button. Moving down is the triple crown suspension fork. It works great at absorbing bumps on rough roads. What's more, the Astro Pro offers an ultra-long and soft comfort-enhancing silicone saddle. Beside the saddle, there is a rear rack that's for putting your secondary battery. Though I haven't installed one myself, I've seen the official C3STROM information and have a tutorial for that. That's super cool, as you could enjoy more of the riding and worry less about battery life. Speaking of the battery, let's talk a bit more. There is a button beside the indicator to let you check how much juice is left whenever you want. We also have the power switch button and a charging port on the other side. Most importantly is the removable design. Insert the key to unlock the battery, slide right to take off the battery pack. The one I got is the 1040 watts of capacity. That's for the Astro Pro. The standard comes with a 780 watts battery, and that's the only difference between the Astro and Astro Pro. To install the battery, just align the slots and slide it to the left to fix it. Most importantly, don't forget to use your key to lock it. But what really separates the C3STROM from other normal e-bikes, I guess, is the customized aluminum alloy frame. It's well polished with this grey accent, which gives this bike a sense of premium quality, futuristic and high-end finish. Of course, it comes with the cost. It weighs 95 pounds. Definitely not something you can easily move around, but I would imagine most people would ride it around instead of carrying it around. Moving down, we have two 20-inch by 4.25-inch fat tires, 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes. I haven't seen this on many other e-bikes. From my experience with them, they do give me a more responsive and effective stopping at high speeds. Speaking of speed, the Astro Pro sports a 750 watts buffer rear motor that enables you a max speed of 32 miles per hour as the official specifications suggested. For my test, with my 85 kilograms weight, I can even reach as fast as 34 miles per hour on flat ground. I think I can even go faster than this, but my fear kicked in and I didn't dare to speed up. That speed is a huge surprise to me. Though the bike is heavy, it still offers the super powerful experience to riders. It was just stupidly fun to ride. But there are more surprises from this C3STROM Astro Pro e-bike regarding ride quality. Due to its dual shock absorption suspension, the Astro Pro can be ridden on virtually any terrain in both wet and dry weather conditions, making it perfect for city streets and rough mountain trails. It's smooth and comfortable. There is also an app which comes with the bike. Unlike those rough or Chinese English mixed e-bike apps, the app for the C3STROM seems good. It's very simple though, but offers all the basics you need, like the map, detailed battery information, or parameter adjustment, etc. For others, this e-bike is versatile. There are lots of mounting points for bottle cages on the down tube, perfect for cycling or shopping. The fenders are good. The time I was testing it was rainy days, but it offered decent protection from back and shoulders. Actually, the bike comes with IPX6 standard waterproofing. That's another bonus. Many times I got asked, can I ride this on rainy days? No, with Astro Pro you can. But just like reviewing any product, I always mention the negative stuff in addition to all the positive stuff. The only thing I would say is the lack of adjustable seat post. Well, for me personally, I don't have any issue with that since it fits my 165cm height perfectly, and the official specification says it's designed to fit riders 165cm to 185cm tall. So I would imagine if someone much taller than me would have difficulty riding it. But that's how this design e-bike looks like. Currently, there's no way to change it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the riding. If you are looking for durable, all-weather, all-terrain and extreme fun outdoor transportation with a decent amount of speed and power that's also environmentally friendly, this C3STROM Astro Pro should be right on the top of the shopping list. Currently, it's at the crowdfunding stage, so you can get the best price. This could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars compared to other brands with the same specs. Alright, that's the video. I hope you enjoy watching as much as you enjoy riding. For more about the C3STROM Astro Pro, please check out the link in the description and back the project now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click right here to subscribe. I'm Sami, I will see you in the next one.